Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's right now. It's 6:42 and if y'all don't know, I actually go back to work tomorrow, so I gotta make myself wake up.
It started off as a dream. Now I see it's turning into my reality. I built it from the ground organically. Now I'm hearing my name all through these streets. All these people with bigger names, they approach me. Get a rush through my veins when they repost me. You see it's motivation to keep going.
Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's right now. It's 6:42 and if y'all don't know, I actually go back to work tomorrow, so I gotta make myself wake up. I'm still a little bit late, so that means in the morning I gotta wake up at 3. So start my morning. Hello. 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 You know. Okay guys, so right now it is currently 7, you can't really see. It's currently 7:13 and I'm almost done tidying up my room. So I'm just gonna get a couple things off my dresser, and then after I do that, I actually don't let my wig get clean and washed because I do want my hair fresh for work. And I'm also wash my red hair, and after we clean my dress off, we finna cook breakfast and then gonna get my work clothes out for tomorrow if I won't have to do that later on tonight. So we finna do that, and I'll see you guys in a minute. People steal these all the time. People steal these all the time. Guys, so now that that's done, I only have like a couple things in this chair. Like my room. And right now it's currently 7:19, so actually we doing pretty fucking good. So we better go in here, let my wig deep wash, go cook me some breakfast. We're gonna let my wig sit for about 30 minutes, and we're gonna eat. We're gonna chit chat, and then I'll see you guys when I do that. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So right now I'm in the kitchen, and I honestly do not know. Well, whatever I'm finna cook, I ain't finna use all of my unnecessary dish. I know I'm finna cook me some grits, eggs, and bacon. And only because my grandma's birthday today, y'all might see this video fucking 3 days, 4 days from now. But my grandma's birthday is today. And I remember she used to tell me, she used to be like, girl, you can cook all that stuff in the microwave, and you using up all them dishes. So I'm gonna cook my breakfast how she usually tell me if I don't want to wash dishes. So I better cook some grits, some bacon, and some eggs, and a toast. So if y'all don't know how to cook bacon in the microwave, I'm finna show y'all. If y'all know how to cook grits, well, grits just like mashed potatoes. Well, if y'all don't know how to cook eggs in the microwave, I'm gonna show y'all. And I promise you, we ain't gonna have to wash now dish. We might gonna have to wash one dish because I want me a toast. So y'all come with me, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it more. You got your bacon and cheese. I'm gonna put in grits. Got you some eggs. Stick grits. Leftover. Yeah, we're making my famous loaded motherfucking grits. Boom. So we got everything we're using for the grits, for the eggs, and etc. So just finished cooking my breakfast. So, y'all see the load of grits. Come through with the come through. So I'm finna do that. I'm finna watch a movie and then I'm put. Hello.
Why the fuck you got me on mute? What the fuck you talking to?
No fucking body. Huh? That nigga, I ain't realized I had your stupid ass on fucking mute.
Oh, yeah. Let you slap shit out you.
So y'all, ignore his ass. I'm finna turn on the movie and we finna go from there. So come with me. Boy, fucking Christ. So hey y'all, I'm back. Y'all see this wig? Oh god damn, I got something in here. I'm finna get ready to wash this wig because it's time for it to get clean. And I'm finna let this sit for about 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna do my regular morning face routine. And then I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner in my hair, comb my hair, wash my hair, and then I see the back view of that, and we better get ready to go do my morning routine, and then take a shower, wash my hair, and take my clothes out, and then that's just gonna basically sum it up for this video. So I'll see y'all guys in a minute. So as y'all can see, I'm in my mama bathroom. And I gotta brush my teeth and I gotta do my basic morning skincare. And then close out for tomorrow, because right now I only have 9 minutes for my wig to soak. I'll take my clothes out and then I will come back and scratch my hair. I really don't have to do as much scratching as I would usually have to do because I did recently just wash my hair like 2 weeks ago. So I'm gonna take my work clothes out, find me some work clothes for tomorrow. Basically set everything out I need and that nature. then I might wash my, yeah, I think I'm gonna wash my hair off camera, and then I'll see y'all at this end of this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all after I have finished everything, like washing my hair and that nature. Cause honestly, y'all, I don't know what the hell I'm putting on. Let me see. So I actually had 6 minutes. So between those 6 minutes, I'm actually just fit to relax, enjoy myself, figure out what's wrong with this other camera because it's just not clicking. So, yeah, my hair is horrible. I honestly do not want to wash my hair. I don't think I'm gonna wash it, yeah. Cause it's not dirty, but I feel like it can be cleaner. Cause for some reason, I don't know why, but my hair do not grow when it's clean. So I think I'm just gonna end this right here, and I might do a part 2 to this video because like I said, I did take my finish washing my wig and rinsing it, and I'm gonna insert a little clip down below for y'all to see that. And yeah, because I really think I'm just finna chill out for the rest of the day. And if I do wash my hair, y'all will know, because y'all will know. But thank you guys for watching this video. Oh, I don't know, child. Thank you guys for watching this video. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn that post notification bell on. And guess what? Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it ain't. Y'all already know what I'm fit to do. Bye.
It started off as a dream. Now I see it's turning into my reality. I built it from the ground organically. Now